I got this ONN TV right here, and I'm trying to fix it because the speakers that were in here originally from the factory started distorting, and I got these things from the ONN indoor speaker, and basically they're trying to compete with JBL. They're trying to make their speakers with a cheaper price, and they're trying to compete with JBL. But do not buy those things. Just buy JBL products. And I know I'm saying this because these things have zero distortion, and they sound phenomenal. They don't have any distortion at all. But anyway, so I'm trying to fix this TV. As you can see, I'm putting new speakers in there, and yeah. So basically, how am I gonna do them? I made these holes right here. So basically, I'm gonna put the speakers in here like this, just like this, but. Yes, and catch the video once I have them in there. So guys, as you can see, I already put the speakers in there. Yeah, so they're already in there. I hope they don't distort. Oh shit. But sorry, hope they don't distort, cause I did put them in there pretty good. Wait. Yeah. I did put them in there pretty good. And I'll test out my Roku TV over there as soon as I put it up on the shelf. So yeah. So I already fixed it and it works. It works. Let me just turn it back on real quick. So I already fixed the TV, and to prove to y'all that it works. By the way, I don't have my the Savage YouTube channel on my TV, but I will end up putting it later. And I'm gonna play the song "I'm on Vacation," and it sounds good.
Vacation every single day, cause I love my occupation. Hey, I'm on vacation. If you don't like your life, then you should go and change it.
So there you go. My ONN Roku TV is fixed.
I love my occupation. Hey, I'm on vacation every single day, every single day.